Hi, I'm Awali, the editor.
Most amount of subscribers I ever got on this channel was...
Well, boys and girl,
Teacher says hi.
I'm off to Comic Con, and Mr. Wilson was curious what it was all about.
So are you going to the Comic Con, Awali?
So I sat down and I told him,
So like, what's gonna happen in the convention?
you see this book? I created it, and down in the convention, I sell it. I don't only sell my artwork, I also sit on panels, talk about anime, Afro manga, and also what it's like to publish the book.
So what's your book about?
You see, my book follows 4 teenagers, Diallo, Ayanda, Senzo, and Zeta, as they discover they might be part of a secret group of people that were sent and disappeared into exile long ago by a quirky old man bent on turning them into who he believes them to be. The series 2. It's the first of its kind in South Africa, which I consider an Afro manga. Basically, an Afro manga is the mixture between Japanese aesthetics, which you see in anime and manga, and the narrative context of African lore, which in my case is South African.
Wait,
Don't smile.
is this an ad?
It's both. So, Comic Con Africa is a really awesome place. If you're in Africa, obviously go there. It's full of awesome cosplayers. There's going to be some celebrities there. There's really cool official merchandise going to be sold at Comic Con Africa this year, if I'm not mistaken. There's other artists like myself who are super good, much bigger than I am probably. Yeah, don't tell them I ain't said that. There's tabletop gaming, there's Nintendo, there's all sorts of crazy things happening over there. And I'm gonna be there with my book. And if you happen to be in Comic Con Africa, at Comic Con Africa, when this video goes live, please visit my table. I'm really broke. I need your money.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Mr. Wilson, thank you for letting me do this. This is kind of crazy, and thank you. I probably will have to edit this video myself. Also, I'm trying to get it so that I can be live at the event and then show you guys what it's like to be at the event live while I'm kind of promoting and selling my book. This was awesome! Thank you guys! Now for the outro.
I'm currently doing the longest stream on YouTube. The link to the stream is in the pinned comment.